Today we present lentil ragu, a thick and flavorful sauce, perfect for those looking for a vegetarian alternative to the classic meat ragu. It is a protein-rich dish ideal for dressing your favorite pasta. Ingredients: 200 grams of dried lentils, 1 medium onion, 1 carrot, 1 stick of celery, 2 cloves of garlic, 400 grams of tomato puree, 1 bay leaf, a sprig of fresh rosemary or a teaspoon of dried rosemary, half a glass of red wine, optional, extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper, water or vegetable broth. If you use dried lentils, soak them for a few hours. They should then be drained and rinsed. Finally, chop the onion, carrot, celery, and garlic. In a large pot, sauté the chopped vegetables in extra virgin olive oil until they become soft and slightly golden. Add the lentils to the vegetables, toasting them for a few minutes. Deglaze with the red wine and wait for the alcohol to evaporate. Add tomato puree, bay leaf, and rosemary. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Pour in water or vegetable broth to cover all the ingredients and let it cook for about 30-40 minutes, adding more water if necessary. Check and stir periodically to prevent the ragu from sticking to the bottom. When the lentils are cooked and the ragu has reached the desired consistency, adjust the seasoning and remove the bay leaf and rosemary before serving. To stay updated on tasty recipes like this one, subscribe to our channel and visit our website. Lentil ragu is perfect to make any meal special. It's a versatile, nutritious dish made entirely from plant-based ingredients. Thanks to their richness in plant proteins and fiber, lentils represent a healthy choice for both those following a vegetarian or vegan diet and those looking to reduce meat consumption. In Italian traditions, it is an ingredient associated with luck and prosperity, especially during New Year's period. Bon appétit and good luck to you all.